so. These eggs seem a little big. Oh, but they do feel more like the egg I came from. Soft.
This shell isn't hard like the goldfinch egg, but it's definitely thicker than the frog eggs in the pond.
What do you think is in there?
I think we're about to find out. Look!
Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's about to hatch. Oh, I don't know, Squeaks. We have no idea how long these eggs have been here, and it might take a long time for whatever's in there to come out.
Here it comes!
Ew, what is it? It's a snake! Why does it always have to be a snake?
What?
That was, without a doubt,
The coolest thing I've ever seen!
Who knew so many animals came from eggs?
but it wasn't my egg.
Don't give up yet, Lisa. Maybe we should go back to our yard to think. I'll even give you a lift. We will find other lizard eggs, Lisa. We just need to think.
I don't know. The other eggs might have already hatched and all the lizards might have scattered. I mean, yeah. Maybe we can still find them.
We will find them. We'll search the mountains if we have to. The forest, the caves, the ocean. Well, maybe not the ocean. And not because I'm afraid of water. Of course not, but because you said you didn't remember hatching in water. Those are your words. And the ocean is full of water. Wet, wet water. No, we will not search the ocean.
Okay there, Nature Cat. Well, you know what? I think I'm hungry. Guys have anything to eat around here?
Well, what can I get you? A sandwich, a salad? I blend a great smoothie.
Actually, I'm kind of in the mood for some grubs. Or fruit flies. Or maybe a juicy mealworm.
Then we shall find you, mealworm.
Nope.
Nope. Nope. Hey, wait a minute. Look!
Nature Cat, those are eggs!
Hey, I recognize this. These eggs feel right. They're in the dirt. They're just about my size.
And there's no angry birds trying to shoo us away!
Nature Cat, I think you found my nest.
I did. I did. Intentionally. Just like I told you I would.
Oh, okay. Yep, it's gonna hatch.
It's another lizard! Hi, baby lizard. It's me, Hal.
What am I? You're a lizard, like me. I'm Lisa. What's your name?
I don't have a name.
Can you help me pick one? What do you think, Nature Cat? That's Nature Cat. He is just the nicest, most helpful nature adventurer in the world.
I think, and I'm pretty good at this, Eddie Lizard.
Eddie. I like that. Nice to meet you guys. Thanks for the name. See you around, Eddie Lizard. Well, that was cool. Thanks for helping me find another lizard, everyone. Especially you, Nature Cat. I'll never forget you.
And I won't forget you either, Lisa. Oh, don't do this. Onward and onward, my little lizard friend.
Onward and yonward.
One day you name them, and the same day they run away with a strange lizard you also named. They grow up so fast.
Hey, how about another game of hide and go seek, huh?
Oh, good idea. I know the perfect spot. Wink, wink.